Good morning students. Last class we discussed about how to find LCM by using prime factorization method. Okay. In this class we are going to discuss about finding the LCM of the given numbers by using second method. Second method is called the division method. Second method is division method. Second method is division method. Okay. So let us understand this method by considering an example. So consider an example 12, 15 and 18. 12, 15 and 18. Here we want to find out LCM of 12, 15 and 18. So in this method, first step is write the given numbers in a horizontal line separated by commas. Okay. Next, second step, divide these numbers by prime numbers. Any one of the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. Here I consider 2. Okay. So 2, 6. Next step means write the quotient and the undivided number in the next line. So 2, 6 here quotient is 6. Here 15 is not divisible by 2. This is the undivided number. So write as it is. 15 as it is. Next 2 9s. Okay. Next continue the process until we get a distinct prime numbers. Again divide these numbers and write the quotient and the undivided number in the next line until we get a distinct prime numbers. Here I consider 3. Okay. So 3 2s are 3 5s are 3 3s. Here observe 2 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 3 is a, so these are distinct prime numbers. So stop here. Next last step is product of divisors. Here divisors are 2 and 3. So product of divisors and the numbers on the last line. This is the last line. Numbers on the last line. 2 into 5 into 3. So this gives the LCM of the given number. So therefore LCM of 12, 15, 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 3 is equal to 180. So 180 is the LCM of 12, 15, 18. So this method is called the division method. Okay. Let us discuss some problems using this method, division method. So first problem. 12, 18, 24. Okay. First write 12, 18, 24 in a horizontal line. Next divide by prime number. I consider here 2, 2 6s, 2 9s, 2 12s. Again I consider divide by 2. 2 3s, 9 is not divisible by 2, right as it is. 9, 2 6. Next 3, 6, 9. So I consider next prime number 3. 3 1s, 3 3s, 3 2s. So 3, 2 are distinct prime numbers. Stop here. Next, therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 3 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 3 into 2. This is equal to 72. So therefore LCM of 12, 18, 24 is equal to 72. Okay. Next problem. Second one. Second problem is 30, 60, 90. Okay. 30, 60, 90. So divide by only prime number. So I consider 2. 2 ones are 2, so 10. 2 5 so 2 15 is 30. 2 30 is 60. Okay. 2 4 is 8. Next 10. 2 5 is 10. So 2 45 is 90. Again. So here observe 15, 30, 45. So it is divisible by consider next prime number 3. So 3 5 is 3 10 is 3 15. Again observe here 5, 10, 15. Okay, so consider prime number 5. Next prime number is 5. So divide any one of the prime number either 2, 3 or 5. Okay. So here but here 5, 15, 5, 10, 15 are divisible by only 5. Therefore I consider here prime number 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 threes are. So 2 and 3 are distinct primes. Okay, therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 1 into 2 into 3. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to 180. Therefore LCM of 30, 60, 90 is equal to 180. Okay. Next one, next problem. Third one, 72 and 64. 72 and 64. 72 and 64. 72, 64. Even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, let it become 12. 2 6 are 12, so 2 36 are 72. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, so 2 32s are 64. Next again divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 16, 2 8s are. So again 2 1s are 2, 12, 2 6s are 12. Again even number, so divisible by 2. 2 9s are 2 8s are. So 9 and 8. So next consider any number. I consider prime next prime. Now I consider prime number 3. 9 is not divisible by 2, so write as it is 9. So 2 4s are. Here consider 9 is divisible by 3, so therefore here consider either 2 or 3, no problem. Okay. So next again I consider 2 because here 4 is divisible by 2, so I consider prime number 2. So write 9 as it is 2 2s. Okay. So 2 is a prime number but 9 is not a prime number, so divide by prime number. So next I consider prime number 3. So 3 3s. So 2 is not divisible by 3, so write as it is 2. So 3 and 2 are distinct prime numbers. So stop here. Therefore LCM of 72 and 64 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 5 times. 1 2 3 4 5. 2 5 times into 3 into 3 into 2. 3 into 3 into 2. So this equal to 576. Therefore LCM of 72 and 64 is 576. Okay. Next problem. Next one, fourth one, 48, 96, 72. Okay, divide. 48, 96, 72. So even number, so divisible by 2. So I consider prime number 2. So 2 2s are 2 4s are, so 2 24s are 48. 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. So 2 48s are 96, 2 3s are 6, 12, 2 6 are, so 2 36 are 72. So even number, so again it is divisible by 2. 2 12s are, 2 2s are, 2 4s are, so 2 24s are, 2 1s are, 2 8s are 16. So 2 18s are. Next even numbers, again it is divisible by 2. 2 6s are, 2 12s are, 2 9s are. Okay. Here observe 6, 12 are divisible by 2 and also these 3 are divisible by 3. So divide either by 2 or by 3. Okay, I consider here 2. Okay, 2 3s are, 2 6s are, 9 is not divisible by 2, so write as it is 9. Next 3, 6, 9, so it is consider next number 3. So because 3, 6, 9 are divisible by 3, so consider prime number. So 3, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are. 2, 3 are distinct primes. So stop here. Therefore LCM. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 into 3. So this is equal to 288. So therefore LCM of 48, 96 and 72 is equal to 288. Okay. Next problem, fifth one. Fifth one, 12, 15, 18. 12, 15, 18. Here observe 12 and 18 are even numbers, so therefore divisible by 2. So consider 2, 2 6 them, but 15 is not divisible by 2, right, as it is. Next 2 9s. So next 6, 15, 9. So these are exactly divisible by 3. So I consider next prime number is 3. 3 2s are, 3 5s are, 3 3s are. Here observe 2, 5, 3 are prime numbers as well as distinct prime numbers. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 3. So therefore 2 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 3 is equal to 180. Therefore LCM of 12, 15, 18 is equal to 180. Okay. Next let us discuss one more problem. Sixth one, 25, 75, 150. 25, 75, 150. So 25, 75, 150. So observe here 25, 75, 150. These three numbers exactly divisible by prime number 5. Therefore divide by 5. 5 5 is a 5 1 is a 5. So 25, 5 5 is a 25. Next 5 3 is 30 is a. Again 5 15 30. Again it is divisible by 5. So 5 ones are 5 threes are 5 6. Okay. So 3 is a prime number, but 6 it is not a prime number, composite number. Therefore again divide by prime number. So 1, right, as it is 3 ones are 3 twos are. So now LCM is equal to 5 into 5 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 2 is equal to 150. Therefore, LCM of 25, 75, 150 is equal to 150. Okay. Okay. Last one. Okay. Let's discuss one more problem. Last problem. Seventh. Last one. 4, 12, 24. So 4, 12, 24 even numbers, therefore exactly divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 2 6 are 2 12s are again divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 6 are 3 6 divisible by 3. So write one as it is, 3 1s are 3 2s are. Therefore LCM of 4, 12, 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 1 into 2. So this is equal to 24. Therefore LCM of 4, 12, 24 is equal to 24. Okay. Thank you.